Hi everyone, welcome back to KH Reviews. My name is Kirk, and on this channel I unbox, review, and give my honest opinions on tech and household items. If you found this channel helpful, please consider subscribing because every Thursday I'm going to be uploading a brand new video. And you're going to want to stay tuned because the next few weeks I have some pretty cool products coming down the pipeline. If you're in the market for a new set of quality noise canceling headphones, then today's going to be a review for you because I'm going to be reviewing these QuietComfort 35 Mark IIs by BOSE. So without further ado, let's get into today's review. So before we jump in, I do want to say a huge thank you to my younger brother Quinn for letting me borrow these for a couple days to check them out. I really appreciate it, and I don't want to give them back. But anyways, BOSE has been making quality audio products since 1964, so it's no surprise that they're still one of the leading brands when it comes to the headphone space. But these the QuietComfort 35s came out originally in 2017. They've made a few changes since that initial launch. So these are the most recent update, and they're the 35 Mark IIs. So currently on Amazon, there's 3 different color options: a black, which I'll be reviewing today, a silver, which is pictured here, and a pretty cool rose gold color that I think is a special edition color, so I'm not sure how long that's going to stick around. The box that these headphones come in is pretty simple, but the carrying case that BOSE does provide with these is very premium in my opinion. It's got a hard outer shell that's going to protect your investment of these headphones if you throw them in your backpack or your purse. And something else to mention is these elastic pouches that are on the outside and also on the inside that you can throw your charger cables in, or even different cables if you choose to, that just are going to keep them secure and you're not going to lose them. So I'm going to quickly take them out of this carrying case, which is just a nice zippered case. And it comes with a 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and you can use these if you choose to play your audio from your phone. I don't know why you would. These are Bluetooth capable, and then it also does come with a charger cable as well. So a feature that does come with the QuietComfort 35 Mark IIs that I feel like separate them from other competitor headphones is the ability to hook them up to Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. So you can press this button here and you can ask the headphones things like, what's on my calendar for today, or Alexa, play 90s rock music, which I feel like is a very nice feature to have. You don't have to take your phone out of your pocket and can just keep it in there and use your headphones. So these offer a total of 20 hours of battery life, which is really good for a wireless pair of headphones like this. But if you do run out of battery, something to mention is you can plug them in for 15 minutes and get an extra 2.5 hours of charge. So personally, one of my favorite features about these headphones is the build quality. BOSE chose to make them out of a plastic and a stainless steel combination, which makes them really light. And the reason that that's important is because you're going to want to wear these for a long period of time, and they don't weigh down on your head or your ears and kind of cause that fatigue of just feeling like there's a weight on your head. And something else to mention is the ear cups are made out of a synthetic leather material known as Alcantara, and BOSE says that that type of material is found in high-end yachts and automobiles, which is cool, but what I feel like it offers is breathability, so your ears don't really feel hot after you're wearing these for a long period of time. All right, so these are headphones, so let's talk about the audio. In my opinion, and many people's opinions online, these are insane sounding headphones. And the reason for that is BOSE has a technology that they use for noise cancellation. So once you put these on, there's a technology that's initiated that the best way I can describe it to you is that the outside noise around you is taken into the headphones, and then there's an opposite noise played through the headphones that cancel out the outside noise. And that doesn't really make sense, but once you put them on, you kind of feel like you're in an audio silent bubble. There's just nothing else outside gets in, which is bizarre to listen to, but it truly does help you really focus in on the media that you're listening to, and I really appreciate that about these headphones. But something else to mention, Bose was thinking that maybe you don't always want to have complete noise cancellation and can't hear anything outside. So they created 3 different levels of noise cancellation. So you can do a complete noise cancellation, or you can change it to a low noise cancellation, which allows some of the outside noise in, and or you can do a complete off of noise cancellation, which they just are going to kind of feel like normal over-the-ear headphones and block some of the outside noise, but not completely all of it. So if you're on a busy street, or maybe you're sitting in an office and you know that somebody might talk to you and you need to hear them, then you can put it on that low or no noise cancellation. So quickly here, I'll go through the 5 different buttons found on these headphones. The first is the action button, which allows you to access Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. The 3 over here are a volume up, a volume down, or the middle button is a pause or a play button. Then lastly is the power button, which is pretty self-explanatory, but it is more of a toggle button, so you can slide it over slightly to power on the headphones, or you can push it over all the way and hold it for about a second, and that'll allow you to pair another Bluetooth device. So as I mentioned before, Bose is a quality audio brand, so these are going to come with a bit of a price tag. Right now though, on Amazon, they are on sale for $270. I did put that direct link to the sale in the description below, so feel free to go check that out before the sale is over. But usually these run about $300 for retail price. All right, so a quick overview. At $300, these are not going to be your budget-friendly headphone. But if you are looking for an over-the-ear noise-canceling headphone that's made by a really solid brand, then I would completely recommend these to you. And you're going to be able to wear them, like I said, for a long period of time because they're so light. So for the price point, I think these would be the ones that I would recommend. All right, so with that brings us to the end of today's review. But if you have any questions specifically about these 35 Mark IIs by Bose, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I really appreciate you guys watching, and I hope to see you in the next review.